Hi, I'm Jyotsna from jyotsnaramachandran.com. In today's video, I'll be telling you how I run my businesses without any full-time employees. In my previous businesses, I used to have people working with me full-time, but over the last 1 year, because of the change in the nature of my business, I find it totally unnecessary to have anybody working with me full-time. Especially if you also are a solopreneur like me, or if you have a startup company, you will find this video very useful. Because when you're having any company, you will need people doing multiple things in multiple roles. For example, you need a set of people doing the customer service work. They should be good at phone calls, doing the emailing work, and you'll need a set of people doing admin work. They should be good at your Excel sheets and Word documents and all that. You will also need designers and developers and a whole bunch of people. But typically when your company is just starting off, you will not have the resources to hire so many people in the first place. And even if you go ahead and still hire a couple of people, it's quite unfair to expect those people to perform all these different functions efficiently, right? So what happens is after a point the business starts to suffer because of the lack of the right talent in your company. What I have done in the last 1 year is I have managed to work with more than 20 specialists from across the world. For example, in my Kindle publishing business, Awesome Life Resources, I currently work with 3 virtual assistants. I have Sushmita and Sweksha in India. They live in another city, Hyderabad. I have Nilisha living in the US. Now, among the 3 of them, they take care of the editing, writing, and even the marketing for my Kindle books. I also work with a bunch of designers. I have 2 boys in Sri Lanka. They are very good with logo designing, banner designing and all that. I have one girl in Israel, another girl in Bahrain, and both of them are very good with designing book covers for me. I have one person in Philippines. He is good at sketching. So based on the kind of task, I decide whom to allocate that work to. I have just worked with a person called Jessica. She is a voice artist living in the US, and she did the narration for one of my audiobooks. I'm currently working with another girl called Holly in Australia. She's doing the editing for my Job Escape Plan book. In fact, yesterday I hired a person from Nigeria, and this person is doing the transcription for all the video interviews that I just did. So basically now all these people are specialists. They are thorough professionals. They know what they're doing. So it really saves a lot of time for me because I don't have to micromanage them. I can just give them the task and they'll take care of it. And also it saves me a lot of money now because I can't imagine hiring all these specialists full time because it will cost me a bomb. But by just hiring them for a particular task or an assignment, I just have to pay a fraction of that amount. So that really saves a lot of time and money for me. And you must now be wondering how I'm able to get all these people from across the world. I can give you 3 resources online that I keep going back to for hiring these people. One is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a website where you can hire people for a short task, a small task for just $5. That's a great place to find good people. I also go to elance.com and odesk.com. These are again great places to find virtual assistants. Sometimes I just post a job, just a status on Facebook asking for people that I need for my work, and I end up getting a lot of applicants who are actually my friends' friends. So you have multiple ways to find great talent on the internet. I believe that if your business doesn't require your staff to be actually talking to your customers face to face, you can very well manage with having just these virtual assistants. So I just would like to conclude by saying that make use of the power of the internet and hire some great talent from across the world. If you have any questions regarding outsourcing or finding these virtual assistants, I would love to answer your questions. Thank you.